In this video, we're going to be learning how to scan websites for vulnerabilities. We're going to be using a tool called Nikto. Nikto is an open source web server scanner that is used to identify vulnerabilities like outdated software, dangerous files, and potential misconfigurations. So let's learn how to use Nikto on our Kali Linux. Before we get started, this video is purely for educational purpose. Never scan any website that you do not have the permission to scan. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I have a website running on my local host. This is the DVWA vulnerable web application. I'm going to try to find vulnerabilities of this website. So I'll copy the link of this website, go to my terminal, and we'll use the tool Nikto to scan for vulnerabilities. Nikto is already pre-installed in your system. So to use Nikto, type the command nikto space -h for host and paste the URL of the website that you want to scan and press enter. And I can see the scanning has started. This is the target IP. This is the host name. Since this is my localhost website, I do not have a domain name. I can also confirm the port number. The port number was specified in the URL, but you can specify the port number separately. After the scanning has been completed, I can see it was able to identify the server, which is Nginx, and the version number. I can also confirm the vulnerabilities which has been identified. Extreme options header and X content type options header is missing, which will lead to attacks like click checking attacks. I can also confirm phpinfo.php file has been exposed. This file contains sensitive information, so if I copy the path of the file and add it to my URL, I get to see the PHP information with the system details. Now I can find specific vulnerabilities for this version of PHP. I can also confirm admin login page has been exposed, and this is the path. So I'll copy this and add it to my URL, and I get to see the login fields. An attacker can log in as the admin by guessing the correct username and the password, and they can do it with an attack like the brute force attack. For a secured website, an admin login page should never be exposed. So these are the type of scan results you can expect with Nikto. Now let's see some more options of Nikto. But before we do that, if you want to get comfortable with the Kali Linux terminal commands, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the full Kali Linux cheat sheet for completely free. This cheat sheet includes all the essential commands for your day-to-day task, so if you get stuck, you do not have to Google every time. So click on the first link in the description box to get this cheat sheet. You can also scan SSL enabled website. I'm scanning my own website, which has HTTPS. Nikto will handle it automatically. You can also scan specific port by typing -p and the port number that you want to scan. If you want to save the result of the output, then type -o and the name of the file that you want to save the result in. I will type output.txt. Now if I give ls, I can see the scan result has been saved. You can also know how the tool works by checking the manual page by typing man nikto, and you will get the manual page with which you can know in details how the tool works. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.